Welcome back on top of the night show. Waiting with they talk about for night show today. Now matter when it say happen true.
I say you don't cause quarrel inside the studio.
True,
finish.
True. And a catting friend. Now the thing happen to. Let me come to discuss the thing.
Okay.
Oh, I don't go causing your friend.
No,
but anyway,
you know the
problem.
person.
Now, the most we just talk about for the topic in case you just join us now say after you marry, you just wake up one morning, find out say you don't marry, and 4 the person where you marry. Yeah. After 4 years, you find out say now Juju, the person you take marry you, and you don't get like 2 or 3 children. What thing you go do? Easy bit before we go break up with it, ask you.
Yeah.
First of all, give us the gist where you want to give us about the matter, then give us your own opinion about the gist.
Like waiting the other caller talked at the time. The other caller tells it depends on waiting the ground. So now waiting the ground I go make you realize, okay, make I do this stuff or make I not do them. Person you just marry you. Probably the person they treat you well, they do like correct husband and you do alright. Your eye can't clear. So what else? What else are you looking for? I'm not saying now waiting perfect be that. Now my own opinion I give. Like what happened for airport the other time? We did for reception like this. All of us they wait before flight go take off. Everybody going to talk about relationship, blah blah blah. We just talk. So one lady we sit down near us, come talk say even waiting happened to her for her own life. Say she not go even believe her. Say because many people they talk. He says she
don't experience.
She don't experience something.
She they talk from person.
You understand? He said he get one guy where she won't marry. See, they are among these friends, so be like, say that they like to get married, say the same date, the same week, the same month, all the stuff. He said, don't plan and finish. It's not so they want to marry. Few weeks to our wedding, our own fiance can't change her for him, so he not go marry again. Family, everybody know the ginger say, which kind of embarrassment be this? Which kind of be this? And he get one guy where don't they ask this lady out as in for a very long time, saying go marry, and the guy did okay. But the lady know you feel like the guy. So now when this very guy now, don't come match.
Disappoint him.
Can't disappoint her. The lady just
decides,
say,
plan B.
You just decide, say, well, are you ready to marry me?
Jesus.
She was saying it to her. She said, you just ask guys, are you ready to marry? The guy said, yes, I'm ready. And so they all say marry. She said she carry herself marry who she not like. He said, but at the end of the day, he said for her life, he said if anything happened to that guy, she not go fit stay alive. He said if the guy is sick, like she not a fit eat. Hey. All of us they look like this. So the question we can ask myself, say, okay, where did love be there?
Anyway, from Port Harcourt, good evening. Hello.
I know Victor.
Precious, how you doing?
Wow. The love is very hidden.
Good evening. Precious, this thing what they discuss. If not you.
Good evening.
Good evening, sweetie.
Why don't you get to delay my duty now? You are working my credit now.
Now devil walk.
Which kind of fool?
Now devil though.
She don't
For this instant time, devil they walk.
Devil though. Now devil been go Afghanistan. He don't come back.
That's okay. Welcome back. Devil, welcome back. Catherine, come back here.
Oh, sweet girl. I'm in Mamba.
Hello, Catherine, come back here.
Make up your name, Mamba. I got out here. Instant for about here.
Oh
yeah, if now you, what do you go do?
For the matter where they crown. Hello?
Yes.
For the matter where they crown. With me. Immediately I know that I could leave the man.
She could leave the man.
The one thing you say, I go carry my children, go to counseling for church. Because me, I'm not going to stay with a man that used Juju marry me. When I sleep on the bed with them, they look up. I feel them.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So that is how I could do.
All right, no problem. Precious, thank you very much.
Thank you, Precious.
Now back to easy bit. Continue with you they talk.
So at the end of the day,
I know fit all this.
You understand?
Easy.
So at the end of the day, we ask ourselves, say, so where this woman love?
From Abuja, good evening. Sorry.
No, the love is not there inside now. No how.
Good evening, Prosper.
Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
My brother, complete. How on our side?
We did, my brother. We
safe, complete.
Prosper, if not you for this matter, what do you go do?
Lady, they hear me.
I hear you.
If not me, you know one thing what people go understand is say, this not just thing. As the jazz declare for your eye, nothing will you remember other than the day with the jazz start work.
Exactly.
So if children they involve, the children you don't even know.
You don't even know them. Bam.
You don't know them.
I beg Prosper call us. Exactly. Now I try to make people understand. We don't want to enter into the main gist.
Yeah, exactly.
The day, it be like when you sleep, you just freeze. Something just happen. How does come? You just turn ice block.
You not going even know. Say 4 years don't pass.
You just turn ice block.
So they also did jazz for 4 years. So you don't be yourself.
So you don't know what you do for the.
You go look say who get pikin.
It be like accident. When you be say you go wake up, for hospital, you go ask yourself, where am I? Now the first question you go ask yourself, they go tell you say na so thing happen because the last time you remember now when you do now you remember, you don't hear anything again. Yeah. So the thing be say when that jazz happen, when you just go that jazz, may probably
from the time where the jazz happen till the time where the jazz clear,
you not gonna know anything.
You not gonna know nothing.
If your 2 children, they go say your 2 children. They say Anyway, hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
Hi, no. Good evening, Ogane.
Hey, Moses. How far now?
Hi, no. Good evening, Katim.
Yeah, I did greet you since. How now?
Yeah. Hi, no. Good evening, guys.
Yes, boss. Good evening, oh.
I like that. They educate people very well.
Thank you.
Actually, it's not me, but what I go do is say, if one see get my jazz man because of marriage, you go first of all consider and look. What see this woman see? When we say she see jazz to make she marry you.
Okay.
That means if she loves you, when we say she don't go fit do without you.
Okay.
But later on, if your eye can't clear, say, jazz, but what you go do is say, you go meet one clergy of your church, maybe your pastor or your reverend father, or maybe if you're Muslim, the imam. You just meet and seek for intervention, maybe for prayer, to break that charm. Then give some gap, see maybe that love, where you think say go exist between the both of love. I think she know you charm. You understand that? So you go see whether that love, you go create room whether that love go exist between una there. Okay. So that say the love no exist between una, you don't let the marriage make things like that.
All right. All right, Moses, thank you very much.
Moses, thank you so much.
Hello, who there on the line? Emmanuel.
Nedu, good evening.
Emmanuel, good evening.
Hey, Katin, good evening.
Good evening.
You look beautiful this evening, oh. It's so pretty.
You like my kobo? My side?
I like your color.
Thank you. Okay.
Easy beach, you don't have this glass.
Yes, boss.
I don't know.
Good evening.
Yes,
how today now?
They fine, boss.
Emmanuel, if now you
no,
go to
I'll
our topic, what do you
give you 1 minute, sir.
You say?
All right. The matter with the ground be say. The matter with the ground be say. The truth be say, if they used to marry you, you hear me?
Would they hear you?
If they used to marry you, you not go nothing that you they use marry you. You go just like say now sometimes say you faint, you sleep. When you can't wake up, you can't ask what they around you say what happened to me.
Exactly.
Then when you can't wake up,
when
the children clear, you can't ask these children with their born. So who children they pee? You can't even listen and start when they stay with you. But as you can't be say it or you don't realize yourself, you don't know it or now Juju the person say marry you and the person loves you. So my sister, now to continue the person, if not me, I will continue.
Okay.
Because I think the shoe don't clear and now because of love. Let's not confuse you for your eye, even though love you now.
Now, Emmanuel, what if this person, where you not like at all? Yes. You don't feel stand down.
And then, remember, as you take talk, the Juju don't clear.
It don't come clear. You don't feel stand this person at all.
Before the Juju catch you don't even fit look them at all. No, but it's true.
But you know this one now don't get children. Now don't get what to talk. If you say you know one marry, then how now take do the children? Now divide the children.
Okay.
Now
so you could make una sit down together as you not like yourself because of children.
Anyway,
no. I'll marry him.
Anyway, thank you, Emmanuel.
Okay, you can marry him. The thing when you not talk, be say you can marry him, keep him for house, but you go to wipe outside.
Hello, who there on the line? Choma, good evening from me now.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good day, fine. How you doing, my sister?
I did fine. How you doing?
I do.
Yeah, you're very nice.
You like my signboard too? Choma said a signboard. Thank you.
Okay, Choma, this topic what they discuss. What do you get to talk about?
Let's do this thing, right?
Yes.
It depends on how you just understand your own life.
Okay.
You understand?
Like now, maybe this thing usually occurs between religions.
Okay.
You understand? Maybe a Christian, and you don't want to marry a Muslim.
Okay.
Meanwhile, a Muslim man has been approaching you.
Okay.
You refuse. Maybe you use Juju to catch you in that marriage. When you realize, if the man allows you to be worshiping the church that you are worshiping, and you come back and see your children, there is no need for living.
Okay.
But if the man is insisting that you are going to follow him to worship the religion that he's worshiping,
then you leave him.
The problem is that already occurred, you leave the person.
All right.
But if it's between Christian and Christian or Muslim or Muslim together, you find yourself in that situation like that. Without children, what I'm going to advise that person is to cool down. Hence, the man is there for you.
Okay.
And he's providing everything.
Okay.
Or if a woman, hence your husband is there for you and he's providing everything.
All right.
I don't see any reason why you ask for another. Because the devil you know better than the angel that you don't know.
Oh. All right, Choma, thank you very much.
Thank you. And you get another thing what I want to tell you, lady.
What's it with that?
I call you last week Saturday. You get one serious this week. Well, when I talk, I get to experience for that AS.
Okay.
Yes. It's very important issue.
Well, Choma, you know thing happen. Call us after the show so that we'll follow you discuss them.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, Choma said the talk. Hello, who on the line? Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Hello?
Yeah, we dey hear you.
Yeah, good evening, Edu.
Hello.
Oh, my God.
Hello, my guy, my G. Where you go?
Where you there since this hello? You just lost like that.
They're not agree to connect me.
Oh, now
What is that?
They're not agree to connect me.
Oh yeah, talk to us a lot. What you go do if not you?
See, you know, there's so many things they happen for this life.
Yes.
Some people, they do juju because of market, make their market move.
Sell.
Yes.
So, juju na juju. Hello?
But they hear you, Juju na juju.
Juju na juju. So, before somebody go do juju, make it say marry somebody, now they say love the person. You know, say, it gets some people, some husband, or no matter how waiting his wife do, you know they appreciate her.
Yes.
And the woman, they die follow her so.
Yes.
So if that kind of woman go do something, we not go just put her juju, make he go assist the marriage, make it grow. You understand?
Yes.
If that woman go assist the marriage, make it grow.
Yes.
Assist the marriage.
4 years, the man eye go open.
Okay.
I believe, and they don't punch you. I believe say nothing too wrong there. You understand? That's true.
All right.
If the man love, he gets some girls where you see that they die follow that, they're not the reason you at all. You buy something, go give her like this, you just throw her for corner. So, and if you went with the man, when you reach out, you're not going to feed the shop, you're not going to feed do anything. He did like that, there are many. So when you just go shoot,
So when you go find assistance,
because anybody when do mercy, say marry somebody, he love the person, I say do her.
And assistance, you go collect.
So make the marriage move to the permanent side.
Hello, thank you for assisting us with the call. Thank you for assisting us with your call, Hello.
Hey, hello.
Ismaila, good evening.
Thank you for your assistance.
How you doing now?
How you doing, my brother?
Just fine. How everything?
My brother, would they? Ismaila, this topic, what you go do if not you?
For this matter, now no see if you talk to now, the thing will like affect you like 50%. But at least for your life, you know the two way they do. Like say, okay, I don't marry, I don't, like say, I get wife, I get children. But the thing can't come out.
No,
the thing can't finish.
Okay.
But
yeah.
The thing will come your mind say, now this thing for them they hear them before now for real life. The thing will just become your mind. The thing will come your mind say, as you continue this thing, if you continue this thing, just do it.
Okay.
If na me, I go drop them if I fit continue.
Okay, you can just stay. All right, thank you, Ismaila. Yes. Thank you very much from Kaduna. Thank you.
May we read some
from
tweets?
Aja, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I do fine, no.
I beg quickly, if now you live, what do you go do?
Oh, thank God. Hey, come on. Baba, yes.
Livey. Uwem?
Yes, so I need to go.
I know, dear. I'm in Mamba. Monofo.
Hey, Mamba.
It has what enjoy.
Mamba, dear, I may
have Mamba. Yeah, Mrs. So I do the Mabazio. Nganam garamio.
E can't don't lie. Kevin, I mean, don't
Nidu cool down.
Now you trade. Come in, you have cool down. They come in Nidu. You trade.
Nidu, I get trade.
I can't get you Colego.
Nidu, come, I don't need black trade. I need red trade. So we will voyage your here.
Live, what do you go do for you?
Okay, straight to business now,
Bam.
If that woman used Juju for me,
yes.
That means she try well.
She assists you.
And if she don't get 3 Pekin for me, she over try. I go just advise and say, make we go see the person do the Juju for you. Make you do more because we will get plenty national team. I think we'll get 12. That big money, but you, what do you think?
See your brother. Thank you.
Yeah,
live. Thank you for assisting us with your call.
Yeah.
Hello, who do you on the line? Our last caller for today.
Make we read some tweet. Fiki Oliver Wilson, Daniel Fodro, Nahanem Bidat. I could carry him code deliverance. I could forgive him if he accept Christ. Then I go love again, true, for the sake of the children's. Pearl City say, I do go say something lead to something. Somebody cannot just use Juju on you if the person knows about you well. Sometimes it they cause frustration, they cause them. But it don't finally happen. You have to check the 2 ends. The gaining and the losing end before taking any action. So you come back, Redro.
Continue.
Gideon, this one tough. I could come out with my children from that house called deliverance. First. Secondly, I could involve a pastor for advice. Queen Zaida say that thing could pain me die, but not to waka leave the husband or wife. The children can understand why you leave them when they grow finish. That is it.
Anyway, if in case you just join us, what should they discuss today? Now,
you don't late.
When it be say consign, it say if you marry after 4 years, your eye can finally open. You see now Juju that you take marry you. Wait till you go do. Now this particular person where they say happen to, make a talk the person. Make a talk Now church. Now she go. She don't marry already. She don't marry already. So she go church. Make she go for normal
prayer.
Go meet prophet for prayer. Now as she go church, and now she. Katim, I beg, give them this story.
Now she go church. Now you know, Kri come back house again. Family members go find her for church. She said she know the follow and come back. He stayed there close eye 4 years. He close eye one day, just wait. He just young pop say, what did she do here? Confess. He don't born 2 children that time. He no Kri take eye see the children. He no Kri at all. Now she don't fall on that person, come marry, born another 4 children, join. But till today, she no one look the children. The children there with her mama.
And the other, and this guy who they talk to, a very fine girl.
Very fine girl.
Now, when her eye clear, when her eye open, she don't come find out, say, what are they do here? And she don't come born 2 children. She don't born 2 children for this man. And one man where the UK come, beg her, say, marry me. They don't marry the man. He don't get 4 other children now for the man. Now, these 2 other children, when they say she born for this prophet, she know they use eye, see them.
I tell her, she fit send money and say, okay, and mama help me look those children, but she don't want to take eye see them.
What the most people don't understand is say, when you wake up, it go be like say, now where you start from?
You go look yourself, say me, this man,
what?
or
This
me,
man,
this
how?
woman.
How? Vex. First, to say start with, vex go make you waka come out first of all.
Now the shock and the effects when you wake up. Because I did it.
You go say, you take advantage of me because of say you can't take advantage of me, can't do Juju. And okay, trauma when being called. Trauma take another angle, go for the thing. What of say you be Muslim? You know what? You don't feel marry Christian. You come find and say the person will do it for you na Christian. Or you be Christian, you don't want marry Muslim. You come find and say the person will do it for you na Muslim. What thing you go do? You don't understand. But this person, now the same language, now the same Christianity, because the person na prophet he go make go before this one reach take happen. Anyway, we don't discuss the matter finish for today.
Everybody when say they go call pastor, go get advice. Muna know where they go.
Anyway, double toilet to everybody we call.
Thank you,
no, not take on our phone calls. I beg we calls plenty. We'll not take every call. We're not vex. Sorry. And until tomorrow we'll come back. Double toilet to our producer, Mini Marge, to our associate producer, K Moss, and then K Solo double toilet.
KKLM. K Moss, K Solo, Mini Marge.
Yeah, KKLM.
KKLM.
Now we go put airline. KKLM and then KKL Transport. KKLM and Sons. K Solo go dey drive. Then K Moss go be conductor.
Give me 5.
Then Mini
Marge go be accountant. Go be administrator.
But our boss then go dey drive.
Yes.
Their boss go dey go from Aja to CMS.
Then from CMS to Chad.
To Chad the Republic.
From Chad to Niger.
To Niger.
To Somalia.
To Somalia then go come back. Now easy but now go dey play mix song when they go
when they go enjoy the drive because it go take.
Anyway, till tomorrow. Una good night.